Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox sound or audio not working. Let's fix it guys. First thing I recommend you to try doing just to close out of the Roblox. Select close Roblox and try opening the Roblox again. Now you just need to launch the same game. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, next you need to check Roblox sound settings. You just need to select the Roblox icon on the top and go to settings. In here you need to scroll down. You just need to make sure the volume is set to increased like this. Make sure that is increased and output device, set the correct output device by changing this arrow icon. And after that you can check if the problem solved or not. And next you need to make sure that Windows sound setting is not muted. Make sure that is set to at least 20 or 30, and after adjusting it you just need to right click on it and select open volume mixer. In here you just need to set the Roblox volume to 100. After setting it you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by two large icons and select sound. In this list, you just need to select your speaker guys. If you have multiple speaker connected to your PC, then you just need to select the correct speaker and select set default option. After that, you will be get this tick mark guys in your speaker. After doing it, select apply and OK for save changes. After that, you just need to go to search menu and type troubleshoot settings. Click on open it. You just need to select other troubleshooter. Select audio troubleshoot to run. In here, you just need to follow the on-screen instructions and hopefully this can fix your problem guys. And after doing it, I hope one of these steps fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.